Good morning, dear children. Today we shall start our total English. And in total English we have completed till now up to practice paper number 9. Okay, and today we have to discuss the exercises that are given in practice paper number 10. Okay, so for that you may take out page number 164. In page number 164, exercise 5A is given. Be ready with that. And now I will read and explain you. Rising from the sea like a goodness, the island nation of Cyprus dash you off your feet with ancient monuments. Cyprus has the distinction of dash, the birthplace of Aphrodite, goddess of love and beauty. With such a legendary background, it is hardly dash that Cyprus dash into a dash destination. It dash with natural beauty that ranges from golden beaches to dash hills. To walk through its old streets is dash backwards in time. Old houses with ornate balconies peep from weather-beaten walls, and craftsmen in small and workshops practice traders, which have not dashed for centuries. Okay, now at first, whenever you solve this kind of exercise 5A type, in which you have to fill the correct form of the word. So what you should do, that is, you should read out the passage that is given at first. Okay, reading of the passage means that you have to analyze each and every sentence, that the blank that is given and the word which is given, the correct form of the word that you have to fill in the blank. So in which form it may come, whether the sentence is coming in the present tense or it is coming in the past tense, or which form of the word will be filled in that. So you should use your sense. Okay, you should apply the rule, and also you should use your sense that which form of the word can come in the blanks. So once and twice you should read out the passage, then you will get an idea that what actually is passage about and what you have to fill in the blanks. So let's have it once again with the answers. Rising from the sea like a goodness, the island nation of Cyprus dash you off your feet. Now dash, sweep is given. So answer is already solved and given. First one, that is, sweeps you off your feet with ancient monuments. Cyprus has the distinction of dash, the birthplace of Aphrodite, goddess of love and beauty. So Cyprus has the distinction of dash. Now in bracket B is given. That is, you have to fill the correct form of the B. Okay. And what are the different forms of the B? That is, am, are in the present, was, were in the past, or it can be been and being if needed. So here it will come that Cyprus has the distinction of being the birthplace of Aphrodite, goddess of love and beauty. So in first one, what will come? Being, B-E-I-N-G. Then after this, with such a legendary background, it is hardly dash. Now surprise, it is hardly surprising that Cyprus developed into a tourist destination. Okay, tour is given, so that will become tourist. You have to use your sense, children. Okay, in which form of the word it will come. So it will be tourist destination. It dash with natural beauty that ranges from golden beaches to dash hills. So what will be there? That it dash, in bracket it is given, bless. So it is blessed with natural beauty that ranges from golden beaches to rolling hills. To walk through its old streets is dash backwards in time. To walk through its old streets is stepping backward in time. Old houses with ornate balconies peep from weather-beaten walls, and craftsmen in small workshops practice trades which have not changed for centuries. Okay, now exercise B. How did all this come dash? Okay, how did all this come about? Okay, what will be there? First answer, how did all this come about? Second one, I should bear dash him with while he is in difficulty. I should bear with him while he is in difficulty. Third one, Sudhir has run dash debt after the inflation. So Sudhir has run over debt after the inflation. Okay, run over. Have the list of phrasal verbs and keep on practicing, looking into that. As much you will practice, as much you will practice by looking into the phrasal verb list, that much you will be confident and you will have the meaning of phrasal verbs in your mind, children. Okay. Now next one, Mahesh has set dash as a property dealer. So Mahesh has set up as a property dealer. That is when you set up any kind of business. Okay, then for that you use set up. Then Aarti has a craving dash more money. Aarti has a craving for more money. Next one, the pond abounds dash fish. The pond abounds in fish. Okay, what is the meaning of abound in? Abound in means that is full of fish. That the pond which is there, that is full of fishes. Then next one, the principal has dispensed dash his services. So the principal has dispensed from his services. Last one, I take exception dash your remark. I take exception to your remark. Now next exercise 5C. Join the following sentences without using and, but, so. Okay, keep this in mind, children, that you have to join the pair of sentences, given pair of sentences without using and, but, so. Now first one, we all enjoyed the story. Our teacher told us the story. So how you can join this? What is given? That we all enjoyed the story. Our teacher told us the story. So it will be, we all enjoyed the story which our teacher told us. Okay, that we all enjoyed the story which our teacher told us. Now next one, question number 2. They should hurry up, otherwise they will miss the flight. Okay, now condition is given that they should hurry up, otherwise what will happen? They will miss the flight. So what will be there? In the conditional type sentences, you have to use the condition word. That is, if they do not hurry up, comma, they will miss the flight. Okay, if they do not hurry up, comma, they will miss the flight. Question number 3. He was caught. He admitted his crime. He was caught. He admitted his crime. So he admitted his crime when he was caught. He admitted his crime when he was caught. Next one. He worked hard. He wanted to get a scholarship. He worked hard. He wanted to get a scholarship. So what will be answer for this? That he worked hard because he wanted to get the scholarship. He worked hard because he wanted to get the scholarship. Now next one, exercise B. First question. Mangla is the cleverest pupil in the class. Now, in your answer, you have to use clever. Now, here you can see that which type, from which exercise, grammar exercise this question is given. It is given from degrees. Okay, in your question, cleverest is given. That is superlative form of degree is given, and that you have to change in the positive form, clever. So, it will be that no other pupil in the class is as clever as Mangla. Okay, I shall repeat that no other pupil in the class is as clever as Mangla. Now, question number second. He not only advised me but also helped me. Okay, he not only advised me but also helped me. So, direction is given, instruction is given that you have to begin your answer with in addition. Okay, so in addition to, whenever it is given that you have to begin your answer with in addition, so it will be followed by preposition to. So in addition to advising me, comma, he also helped me. Okay, that is in addition to advising me, he also helped me. Next one, question number 3. There is no point in taking my car if I can't find a place to park it. Okay, you have to begin your sentence with what's. So, what's point in taking my car if I can't find a place to park it? I repeat that what's point in taking my car, comma, if I can't find a place to park it. Now next one, question number 4. He was accused of stealing. He was accused of stealing. Now you have to begin your answer with people. Okay, now which type of sentence is this? This is passive to active. Okay, that is vice versa, not active to passive, but you have to transform your sentence from passive to active because was and third form of the verb is given. So that you should understand, children. And in passive voice, sometimes what is there? That object is hidden. So same way here, if we read the question once again in order to understand, so the complete sentence could be that he was accused of stealing by people. Okay, so object is hidden sometimes in the passive voice. So what you have to do? You have to begin your answer with people as it is given, and you have to change it into active voice. So people accused him of stealing. People accused him of stealing. You should revise your direct, indirect, tenses, active, passive, everything you should keep on revising because these chapters, children, you have learned from class 6 onwards or before than that as well. So always you should keep revising these grammar portion. It is good for you. In your free time, don't waste your time simply mobile and using WhatsApp and Facebook. But what you should do? You should revise your grammar and revise your maths, so many subjects you have. It will be helpful for you. Fine. It was just a suggestion. Next question, number 5. Having finished his work, he went to play. Having finished his work, he went to play. Now you have to begin your answer with when he. So when he finished his work, comma, he went to play. When he finished his work, he went to play. Next one, question number 6. If nobody wants it, I will throw it away. If nobody wants it, I will throw it away. You have to use unless in your answer. So unless anybody wants it, comma, I will throw it away. Unless anybody wants it, comma, I will throw it away. Next, Katie eats only fruits and vegetables. Katie eats only fruits and vegetables. So you have to end your answer. Okay, read the instruction properly. You have to end your answer with on fruits and vegetables. Okay, so what will be answer of this? That Katie lives on fruits and vegetables. Katie lives on fruits and vegetables. Now question number 8, last one of this exercise. Our secret plan has been discovered. Our secret plan has been discovered. So you have to begin your answer with someone. Now see children, now which type of question is this? Once again we have got from passive to active, we have to change. Okay, by looking at the question only you should understand that from which part of the grammar the question has been given, and according to that you should follow the rules. So here we have to change from passive to active. So what is there? That our secret plan has been discovered by someone. So this is the question. Okay, by someone, object is hidden, and in your answer it is given that you have to begin with someone. So someone has discovered our secret plan. Someone has discovered our secret plan. Fine. Now we have completed practice paper number 10 exercise children, and I want you all to keep revising all the practice papers starting from 1. 1 is already solved and given to you in the book. Okay, so revise that also. Practice paper number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you should keep revising whether you are student of class 9 or whether you are student of class 10. So you should keep revising because class 10 board exam is also based on class 9 syllabus. Okay, so keep revising. As much you will revise, that much you will have the answers, you will be in practice children. Okay, so I finish here my total English explanation, and tomorrow, as you know, it's 2nd of October, it's Gandhi Jayanti. So tomorrow there will be no classes, and next video will be uploaded on Monday, that is on 4th. And now we will continue with our Merchant of Venice explanation. Okay, so Merchant of Venice explanation, I had stopped I think at 2 scene 2 we have finished. After that we will continue. Okay, so goodbye dear children, all the best to you. Bye.